Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Hope you had a good week. It's Friday. Woo! Okay, I'm here with 52 and 22. And if you're new to my channel, new to this video, and you're like, what is 52 and 22? 52 weeks in a year 2022. And what that entails is, for the next 52 weeks, each week, in each month, there'll be a different project and a different theme of each week. So this month of January, it was ATC cards. Last week, it was snow or winter. The week before that was clocks and time. This week is Disney. So I'm here to share my ATC cards, Disney. And the first one is the gang. So I have a little Disney paper on here, and I rated Diamond's Disney stuff that she's been collecting to do a scrapbook, but her trip with her family to Disney World. I said by the time she gets to it, she'll probably go again. But so I rated some of her stuff. And I've got some Disney paper, got this little star banner, and it says a place full of, and then I got characters down here. And you have Mickey Mouse, Daisy, Donald, Goofy, Minnie, and Pluto. And I just put some bling. So that's that one. And I'm not a big Disney fan. I'll be honest. You know, I like Disney, but it's like, it's Disney. And the next one is Minnie and Mickey. And it says, you're my best friend. And I got a little bow up here, Minnie. And I got a Brad. And I got Mickey's ears. And there's Mickey and Minnie. And it says, best friend. And I got a little castle, some bling. And then his little hand. And that's that one. And the next one is Tinkerbell. And I thought this was cute. It says, who are you calling a princess? And I got a little crown on top and some flowers and Tinkerbell. And I added some glitter to it. And there's Tinkerbell there. And Princess down here. And then there's Tinkerbell. Oops. Got something on there. And that's what that one looks like. I'm trying to get them so you guys can see them. There you go. And my favorite all-time Disney princess and movie is Beauty and the Beast. So I had to do Beauty and the Beast. So I really bling this one up. So I got a crown up here, some gold or some yellow like gold, some roses, a lot of bling and blue, and then there's the Beast and Bella, and I glittered them up. And that's that one. So them are my 4 ATC's Disney theme. I'll show them to you real quick one more time. And they will be going into a future sale if anybody's interested in anything you see me make. Don't hesitate to message me and say, hey Tina, are you selling that? Because most times I usually do. So, because my clock ones, somebody asked me, hey Tina, are you selling those? And I'm like, yeah. I have fun making stuff, and then I'm like, what do I do with it? So, a little buck here, a little buck there for them. It's no problem. So if you ever see anything you're seeing me make, don't hesitate to ask me, because you never know. I may say yes. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you want to join in, you're welcome to join in. There is a playlist of 52 and 22, and the first video on the playlist is the directions how this works. Anybody can join us. You do not have to have a YouTube channel. You don't even have to have, I forgot what I was going to say. Do videos. You can send me or Sabrina your pictures. Sabrina will do a little video of them. Or you can post them in Tina's Crafty Life, Tina and friends. You're welcome to join. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or Sabrina, or go watch my video of the directions. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.